In today's video, I'm Fingmud to teach you how to integrate Square payments with WordPress. We'll be doing this directly from your WordPress.com dashboard, and the process is very straightforward. If you want to connect Square to your site so you can handle payments more easily, this setup starts with installing the right plugin. First, go to My Home inside WordPress.com. This is your main dashboard area where you can access your site settings, tools, and features. If you're managing more than one site, make sure you're on the correct website before continuing, since plugin installation will apply to the site you currently have open. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Plugins. This section is where you can browse, install, and manage add-ons that expand what your WordPress site can do. Since Square integration is handled through a plugin, this is the place where the setup begins. After that, use the search bar and type WooCommerce Square. Be sure to enter the name clearly so WordPress can pull up the correct result. This plugin is designed to connect WooCommerce with Square, helping you link your store and payment processing in one place. When the search results appear, click on WooCommerce Square. This opens the plugin page where you can review the plugin and begin the installation process. Taking a moment here to confirm you've selected the correct plugin is always a good idea, especially if several similar results appear in the search. Next, click Upgrade and Activate. This is the option that installs the plugin and turns it on for your site. Depending on your current WordPress plan, you may see a prompt related to upgrading before activation is available. That's normal because plugin access on WordPress.com can depend on the plan you're using. If you don't have the required plan, you'll need to choose a plan that includes plugin support before you can continue with the Square integration. In other words, if the upgrade prompt appears, that means your current plan does not yet allow custom plugin installation. Once you upgrade to a plan with plugin access, you can return to the same plugin page and activate WooCommerce Square. That's the setup process shown here. From this point, after the plugin is active, you can move on to connecting your Square account and configuring payment settings inside WooCommerce. As a quick tip, it's helpful to have your store details ready beforehand so the rest of the configuration goes smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.